Hello, everyone. I am back here today again with a very interesting topic, and the topic is work life balance. Yes, why is it interesting? This topic is interesting because every working professional dreams of having work life balance in their life. Yes, so today I am going to burst a myth. Why am I saying this? Because work life balance in itself is a myth. It is not possible practically to have work life balance. Why? Because it can't be 50-50. You are investing your time 50% in your personal life and 50% in your work life. Sometimes you may be needed or your attention may be needed more on the personal front, sometimes on the business or your job or your work front. Yes, so it is like a seesaw जहाँ पे the aim is not to have that balance, the aim is to have that what we call it as harmony. So what we should aim for is work life harmony, not work life balance. Harmony is that we are okay with being invested more as per the requirements, sometimes in work more or sometimes in the personal life more, right? So, with this acceptance, when we accept that work life balance is not possible for us to attain, हमारे जो सिर का भार है ना, that weight, we release that. Why? Because all the time, if we are just cribbing, ki I'm too busy in work, my work life, I don't have work life balance, I am too busy in my work, मेरे को 10-10 घंटे 12-12 घंटे 16-16 घंटे I have to work, I don't have work balance. We keep on cribbing, complaining, blaming about all those stuff, right? The minute we accept that work life balance is a myth, yes, we feel relaxed. Now, what next? Next thing is work life harmony. Now, how to achieve that work life harmony? First thing, by reflection. Reflect, why do we work? हम क्यों वर्क करते हैं? What is your why behind your work? What is your purpose behind your work? Yeah. And I bet, or I am sure, that one of the why would be we work for our family. Yes, we work to fulfill their needs. We work for them. So when we work for our family, for our personal needs, then why do we crib? Why our family keep cribbing that आप हमको time नहीं देते? Yes, that job, that work is also important part of our life. If we keep on cribbing our work, what kind of energy we would be putting in that work? Just think how we will grow in that work. So accept this thing that our work is an important part of our life and go to your work with a good energy. This is reflection. Second thing, boundary setting. Set boundaries at your work. Yes, that if you have contract to work for 9 hours, once in a while it is okay to work more than that, whatever is the contractual obligation, but not always. What we have done, हमने तो पूरा वर्क कल्चर ही खराब करके रखा है ना? कुछ लोग 16-16 घंटे काम करते हैं, जितना आप करोगे उतना आपसे करवाया जाएगा. In the foreign countries, how people work, they are very relaxed, right? They are paid per hour. Even we are paid per hour. The organizations who hire us, they charge the clients on the per hour basis, and we work here on monthly salary basis. Yes, so we have to set the boundaries कि अगर मुझे 9 घंटे काम करना है तो मुझे 9 घंटे काम करना है, उसके बाद my time is mine. Yes, once in a while it is fine to support them. I still remember when I was new in IT, and we are ladies and we have a family also to serve, right? So we used to leave from office at 6 and we used to attend our office calls after preparing the dinner. बट देयर वर सम बैचलर्स जिनका घर पे कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है, राइट? दे कम टू द ऑफिस एट 6 p.m. एंड देन दे वर्क फॉर द US क्लाइंट्स. सो US क्लाइंट्स किसको प्रेफर करेंगे? उनको प्रेफर करेंगे, बिकॉज दे आर गिविंग दैट सपोर्ट टू देम. ऐसा नहीं कि उनका शिफ्ट वो था, नो, दे आर ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्टेड टू your organization, and your organization or your managers should communicate those boundaries to the client as well, क्योंकि आप जितना देते जाओगे आपसे उतना कराया जाएगा. Yes, if there is more demand of your work, demand more people in your team. Yes, do effort estimates, keeping buffer mindfully. Yep, so that is about boundary setting. Third thing, delegation. Delegate your work. Don't keep all the dependency on you. Your standard, your lifestyle, or your working style should be the reason that somebody should work with you. It shouldn't be like your skills, because skills to koi bhi seekh sakta hai, right? So delegate those things that others can do. I still remember one colleague who was supporting a production delivery in the mandap on his wedding day. What kind of culture it is, what kind of boundary setting it is. Yes, तो हमने खुद को ही ऐसे कल्चर में बनाया है और इन चीज़ों को अलाउ किया है दैट वी डू नॉट हैव वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस और वर्क लाइफ हार्मनी. कैसे होगा, राइट? सो थिंक ऑफ डूइंग द डेलीगेशन प्रॉपरली, because through this work life harmony only we can achieve that fulfillment, that purpose of life. Why? Because the other thing is we should prioritize our self care. We get up at 8, go to office at 9, come back by 11. What is this lifestyle? Kya milega hame isse? Our health hampers, our relationship gets hampered, right? What's the use of that work? So first of all, prioritize yourself and block some time for your family members as well. That's how you can achieve work-life harmony. Yes? So that, see, get to know yourself कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, what is priority in my life, why am I working, and how much I should work. If you love working, give more priority to that. That's okay. But be in harmony with that. And make sure that your loved ones are okay with your such values, that your one of the priority or one of the core value is work. You love your work. They should be okay with that. Then set your routine like that, that they are also happy with you. They are also in harmony with you, right? Because with the clashes here, we cannot go to the work with good energy. So that's about work-life harmony. If you guys have any questions related to work-life harmony, just put them into the comment section. I'll be happy to answer those. Yes. So I end my live here itself. Many people are there in the live, but if you are watching this, the replay of this live, type replay in the comment section so that I get to know that yes, you are watching it. Yes, that will give me the encouragement to come with more lives, with more interesting topics for you. Yep. Thank you so much and have a blessed life.